Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a WordPress website from Hostinger and start using Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your WordPress website that you want to delete and install and use Hostinger website builder, click on these three dots. Now select delete to delete your WordPress website. Click on I understand that all data on this website and its subdomains will be lost and can't be recovered. And hit delete. Your website is being deleted. It can take up to 10 minutes for a website to be deleted. Click on done. Now to make sure that your WordPress website is completely deleted, just refresh this page. As you see, just after I think 30 seconds, my website or my WordPress website was completely deleted. Now to use Hostinger website builder, just click on this add website button, select Hostinger website builder. Here you can create your website using Hostinger AI help by giving it your brand name and website description, or use pre-made templates. For this video, I will go with let's go with with Hostinger AI dental dental clinic. Create me a dental website or dental appointment booking website. My clinic is based in New York. As you see, this is a great description. Click on create a website and wait a moment. And this is the website I got using Hostinger website builder. If you are not satisfied with this result, with your result, simply hit create again, or modify your website description and hit create a website again. And if when you see the second result and you want to go back, just click on version history and you will see all the versions of your websites. I think you can see up to 5 versions. Here you can also check your website in the mobile version, and you can change your website colors by using a different color palette from here. And when you are completely satisfied, click on this continue button. And this is my website inside the Hostinger website builder. To publish it online, just click on this go live button. Click on view site. And this is the website live. As you see, it is still accessible, or it is only accessible via this temporary long domain. To connect your own domain to your website in Hostinger website builder, it's simple. Just go back to hpanel.hostinger.com, go to websites, and next to your new website, click on these three dots and select connect domain. Here, fill in your domain name. For example, in my case, it's benstutorial.com. This is an existing domain name, or another way, an already registered domain name. Do you own this domain? Yes, click on it. Click on next. Now your domain is added to your website. Click on continue. Here, the Hostinger skipped a step, which is modifying or pointing my domain name to Hostinger. If your domain name is existing on Hostinger, it will be by default pointing to Hostinger name servers. If you don't know, or if your domain name was connected to another website registered elsewhere, for example, on GoDaddy, on Namecheap, or in any any other web hosting provider, just log in or just go to domains and go to the settings of your domain name. With Hostinger, it's called manage, and look for something called name servers or DNS. It's the same thing. Click on it, and here click on change name servers. This what I'm showing you now, it's pretty much the same thing on all web hosting providers or domain. um, I said web hosting providers, I meant domain providers. All domain providers gives you this option of changing your name servers. So just look for name servers, click on change, click on and put these two Hostinger name servers. This is your way to connect your domain name or to let your domain name know where is your website is hosted. Fill in those two name servers on your domain settings, and your domain will be completely connected to Hostinger website builder. Now that your domain name is connected, go to websites, click on edit website. Now let's start with how to use Hostinger website builder. The first thing you can do is to add a sticky bar. For example, here you can say, for example, free shipping on orders over 50 $50, for example. Click on this section. On the side of this section, click on edit section. You can edit the section background color from here, for example. Now let's move to the website logo. Click on the website logo here. You click on use AI to create a unique logo. Make sure to use create yourself and not create with AI. Here, fill in your website name or logo text and select from below fonts recommendations. Select the logo that you want to use. I think I will go with this one. Click on, there is multiple beautiful text fonts to go with. For this video, I will go with this one, not this one. I think this is it. No, this is it. Click on download. Now your logo is downloaded in a compressed file. Let's decompress it. Now go back to the website builder. Now click on your default logo. Click on replace image. Upload files. To upload our own logo. This is it. Double click it and it will be uploaded here in your library. Click on select and your new logo is inserted here, and let's adjust the logo width or size. I think this is good. Now close this window. Now to edit this navigation section or the header. Now to edit this header section, just select it like that. Click on edit header, and from here you can edit the link spacing or the spacing between the menu items, the top and bottom size, the navigation order, or also add, show or not hide the logo, show the social icons here, show this big button, and so on. You can also edit your style or the header, making your header transparent and so on. Now to edit your website page, just select any section you want. Click on edit section. You can edit from the background tab. You can select between a color, an image. Let's pick this image. And even you can use a video as your section background. You can edit the video opacity from here, and to use another video, just click on replace and search for another video from here. Now, let's say you want to delete this section. Click on it, from select it, hit delete, and just like that, it was deleted. Let's undo this action. You can also move this section down from. Now this section is the top. Let's return it back or move it back. And now it was on the top. Here, just double click any text or element you see. You can delete it like that. To edit it, for example, this text, double click it. You can make it bigger, smaller, and so on. Now, let's say you want to edit this button. Click on it, click on edit button. You can insert your button text, your link from here. Now, to create a new section, just click on this edit section button, and you can generate your new section using AI. Create a blank section like this one and continue adding elements, or use pre-made sections. For example, this is a contact form, a subscription form, this is a Google Map section, and so on. Now, when you have a blank section like this, you can start adding elements, like for example, a button, a video, a text, and place them where you want them to be. Now, to add a new page in Hostinger Website Builder, just go to Pages and click on Add Page. Here, same thing, you can generate your new page using AI, creating an empty page, creating a blog page for where you display your latest blog. Here you can create a products page for your online store or a single product. Same thing for this contact templates, services, and projects, and so on. To create a blog in Hostinger Website Builder, just go to Page to More and select Blog and click on Start a Blog. And just like that, you have a new blog section on your site. To edit your blog posts, click on Blog. You can create a new blog post from here and delete these default ones. Now, to create an online store in Hostinger Website Builder, same thing, it's simple. Click on More, or not More, click on Store, and click on Add Store. And just like that, you've enabled the online store in your website. You can access it from here. Now, to go to your online store management area, you can switch from Website Builder to Manage Store. And just like that, you can see your online store orders. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And just like that, you can see your online store orders, products. In order, you can add a new product from here, click on it. You can add a physical product, a digital product, service, appointments, and so on. Here you can see your product reviews or the reviews you got. From here you can enable the appointments in order to create an appointments booking product or website. You can generate or create discount codes, see your online shop categories, check your analytics. And from settings, you can edit your store details, for example, the store name, currency, and measurement system. You can add a payment method from here. I recommend you to switch to United States to get all the to get the best payment methods, the local Go, PayPal, Stripe, and manual payment. And from here, I recommend you to set up shipping or shipping option in order to avoid with hosting website builder. It is to have or to if you think of having an online store, it is required to have a shipping option. Create zone, name your shipping zone, for example US, Canada, and so on. And here add a shipping option, for example free shipping option, and for example a paid shipping option. After adding a shipping method, add another or enable at least one payment method to avoid errors with your online store. And after you make any editing here, or it is better to switch to the website builder and update your website from here to make sure that your online store settings are published online. And this is how to delete a WordPress website in Hostinger and start using Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Thank you.